Let's do a quick overview of the Touch10 user experience. So you can see on the home screen there are two buttons, call and share. This is duplicated on the display in the room. Obviously, call has controls for initiating a call. Share is the button you'd touch to present locally in the room. So the RoomKit Plus has two physical inputs in addition to the camera. Right now I have a wireless source and a laptop connected to that. I've configured both the icons and the names of those buttons, or the names of those sources, through the web configuration. You can see that screen times out. While I'm talking, I can select either one of those to share locally in the room, or both of them. This is currently configured as a dual display room. If I stop sharing, or if I continue to share and return to the home screen, then I get a preview of what's currently outputting in the codec, left display, right display. If I stop sharing, that preview goes away. Let's initiate a call. It drops me into favorites initially, or I can browse over recents. Pick the most recent call. Gives me a little pop-up here to add to the favorites. More is just a couple selections there. Let's launch a call. Notice that the mute button lights up and goes to the unmuted state by default. So I can add another participant. I can share in my current call, place the call on hold. I have a keypad, transfer the call, and end call. If you notice, currently in the preview, nothing is routed, and that's what I'm seeing on the codec too, nothing on the output. So I can share. When I share, once I'm in a call, I have the option to locally preview without sharing in the call, or share in the call. So either of the sources that are connected, I can preview locally, or I can share in the call. Let's go back so we see a preview. If I want to change my camera view in my room, I would use this menu. I've already covered this in detail in another video. Essentially, we have camera presets, self-view toggle. Oops, that window does time out, so you can't talk about it for very long, and a speaker track toggle as well. So if I turn the speaker track off, then I get pan, tilt, zoom controls, as well as a way to minimize, maximize my self-view window. If I go back to the desktop, I can look at my participants in the call. This shows that the current participant has no camera view. I can mute and unmute myself. I can drop individual callers. So let's end that call. And it returns to its default configuration. There's some settings. If you select this menu in the upper left, there's a do not disturb toggle. Issues and some diagnostics. A settings page.